If you're worried that artificial intelligence is about to swoop in and take over every single job out there, you're not alone. It's a fear that's everywhere right now. Headlines, social media, even dinner table conversations. But here's the thing. The future isn't as bleak as it might seem. In fact, there are some jobs that AI just can't touch, no matter how advanced it gets. According to none other than Bill Gates, the tech visionary who helped shape the digital world as we know it, there are 3 careers that robots and AI simply can't hack. That's right, even with all the breakthroughs in machine learning and automation, some jobs are just too human to be replaced. So, are you curious if your dream job is on the list? Maybe you're thinking about your future, or maybe you're already working in one of these fields. Either way, let's dive in and see what Bill Gates has to say. Alright, let's get into it. Bill Gates, yes, the Bill Gates, has spent decades at the forefront of technology, watching AI evolve from science fiction to reality. He's seen the world change, and he knows that while AI is transforming industries and the way we live, it's not all doom and gloom for your future career. In fact, he believes that some jobs will become even more important as technology advances. He recently revealed 3 fields that are, in his words, pretty much AI-proof. These are careers where human skills, creativity, and judgment are absolutely essential. Curious to know what they are? Here they are. Let's break them down one by one. First up, biology. Gates points out that while AI can analyze data and run simulations, it can't replicate the gut instincts, curiosity, and creative problem-solving that human biologists bring to the table. Biology is about exploring the unknown, making connections that aren't obvious, and sometimes following a hunch that leads to a breakthrough. AI can assist, but it can't replace the spark of human discovery. Think about it. Discovering new cures for diseases, understanding the mysteries of life, and forming bold new hypotheses about how living things work. These are challenges that require imagination, empathy, and a willingness to take risks. Real people are still at the heart of these discoveries, and that's not changing anytime soon. Plus, biology is a team sport. It's about collaboration, sharing ideas, and sometimes disagreeing passionately to get to the truth. AI can crunch numbers, but it can't brainstorm with colleagues or inspire a team to push boundaries. Second, software development. Now, this one might surprise you. After all, AI is already writing code and helping developers solve problems faster. But Gates says that while AI can assist with the technical side, it takes a human mind to bring true creativity, vision, and adaptability to complex projects. Building the next big thing in tech isn't just about writing lines of code. It's about understanding people's needs, anticipating challenges, and coming up with innovative solutions that no algorithm could predict. The best software developers are part artist, part engineer, and part problem solver. They work with teams, communicate ideas, and adapt to changing requirements. AI can help, but it can't replace the human touch that turns a good idea into a world-changing product. And third, the energy sector. This field is all about powering the world, from nuclear power plants to electric grids to renewable energy sources like wind and solar. Tackling climate change, managing resources, and making sure our lights stay on are challenges that require big-picture thinking and strategic decision-making. AI can analyze mountains of data and suggest optimizations, but when it comes to making the tough calls, balancing safety, sustainability, and innovation, it's people who have to weigh the risks and make the final decisions. The stakes are high, and human judgment is irreplaceable. Sure, AI can crunch numbers and spot patterns, but the big strategic decisions, those need people who understand the stakes, can think creatively, and aren't afraid to take responsibility for the outcome. So, if you want a future-proof career, focus on fields that demand creativity, intuition, and human judgment. These are the qualities that set us apart from machines. Robots can do a lot, but they can't dream, imagine, or care the way people do. The future belongs to those who can blend technology with the best of what makes us human. Want more career advice like this? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your dream job, and let's build your future together. Remember, the world needs your unique talents, so don't let the robots scare you away from chasing your dreams.